Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Chem Study channel. So in this particular video I am going to discuss about the basic postulates of valence bond theory. So the postulates of valence bond theory was first proposed by two scientists, Hitler and London, to understand the geometry and the shape of the molecule of a particular covalent compounds. Now, before valence bond theory, there was another theory that is called Lewis electron dot structure. Lewis electron dot structure was there. So from this Lewis electron dot structure, we know that particular Lewis electron dot theory is useful to represent the electron dot structure of covalent molecule, but it cannot predict the electron pair sharing between two atoms and their bond strength, bond length and bond angle. Therefore, we can say that Lewis electron dot structure cannot predict the shape of the molecule. So therefore, to overcome all these things, scientists Hitler and London proposed some important basic postulates of valence bond theory. So the first important postulates of valence bond theory is the two atoms forming a covalent bond must have at least one orbital in its valence shell containing unpaired electron. These two atomic orbital so in short, you can write down that atomic orbital as AOs overlap to form a larger orbital called molecular orbital, and the valence electron of the two combining atoms and the valence electron of the two combining atoms occupy such orbitals obeying Pauli exclusion principle. I mean, you can say that they have opposite spin. So this is the first important postulates of valence bond theory. So coming to the second important postulates of valence bond theory. So the second important postulate of valence bond theory is due to the mutual overlap mutual overlap of atomic orbitals, the maximum electron density is available between the two nuclei. A large part of the binding force of a covalent bond arises from the electrostatic force of attraction between the nuclei and electron density between them. So coming to the third postulate, the other contributory factor to the binding force of the covalent bond comes from the mutual neutralization at the spin magnetic moment of the two bonding electron having opposite spin. So after that, scientists Linus Pauling and Slater, they extended this theory. That means they extended this valence bond theory to include the bond strength and directional property of the bond as follows. So So later on, another two scientists Linus Pauling and Slater, they extended this theory to include the bond strength and directional property of the bond as follows. So as a sub point, you can consider here that covalent bond strength is directly proportional is directly proportional to the amount of overlap between the two atomic orbital between the two atomic orbitals. And the next point is more directionally concentrated the atomic orbitals, in the atomic orbitals, larger will be the amount of overlap and stronger will be the covalent bond. And the last point is the covalent is formed, the covalent bond is formed along the direction of the overlapping atomic orbitals. So thank you very much for watching.